Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find clearance items on the Target app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and find clearance items on the Target app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Target app. Next, click on Deals. Then on this page here, go ahead and scroll all the way down and you're going to see a section called clearance. So if you click on clearance, you can shop by category in the clearance section. So let's say that we want to go ahead and shop shoes clearance. You can click on the shoes clearance icon and then it'll pop you up on this page here where you can see all of the clearance items that are related to shoes. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and find clearance items on the Target app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.